Hello guys, so for today's video, I will do a tune-up game, but this time so I have this project that I'm going to make my own team. So yeah, I've been planning it for a while, and today will be the first game or tune-up game of my team. So yeah, I've made a team called Jets FC. So here, so it's still a new team. Still don't have jersey. We have a few players, and we plan to do like a tour, doing tune-up games with different teams. So our team is a futsal team or 7-a-side. So yeah, we play futsal 5v5. 7-a-side, 7v7. So we don't have enough players yet for 11-a-side. So I'll start small, and I'm looking forward to do tune-up games with different teams, and maybe in the future join futsal leagues and 7-a-side leagues. So yeah, today will be our first game. It will be a trial run. So our players are composed of young players some playing in varsity teams in Laguna, some planning to join varsity teams in the future, and we also have adult players like me who are free agents, who have no team as of the moment. So yeah, we will play against the UPLB men's futsal varsity team. So it will be a good challenge. I've trained with UPLB from the previous videos, and they're a decent team. So yeah, a good test. And the challenge is that my team, our players aren't really futsal players. We are more football players, and we aren't conditioned to play the futsal game, but let's see. So it'll be our first match. We barely trained, but some of the players know each other, so yeah, we'll try to maximize, and let's see how the team will do. So it's my first time, new team. I'll also be coaching, and I also play later. So I'm looking forward to it, and hopefully more games for my team in the future. So yeah, I'll pick up some of the players, and I'll see you guys on the venue.
First, so before we start, I want you to introduce yourselves to the video. So name, position.
Neo midfield.
Morning. Defense.
Defense, okay.
Marcos. Left back. Full back.
Oh, lagot ka.
Full back or wing.
Okay.
Luis midfield. Wing. Gab winger full back.
Okay.
Roshan midfield. Isa lang.
Okay. Ayan, so first tune-up game, UPLB. This is, and so that you can understand now. So this is our first game, and our goal is I want to see the chemistry of the team. No? So I want us to do passing first, combination, not over dribbling. Okay? Not highlights. Not this first game, I want to see chemistry. Okay? So, yeah. Most of you already know each other. Diba? So, I want to see that on the field. Okay? So, starting. Sige. Yeah. Okay, so we will play diamond. Okay? And in futsal, we all know that you can rotate. Alright? So the positions aren't fixed. So the first 5, we have the goalkeeper, defender, and because Renz is not here, Roshan, last man. Okay, you can also rotate. Okay, so don't worry. Left wing, Neo. Right wing, Cortesano. Striker, you. Okay? So like I said, target man. So defender, yan, ikaw yun ha. Parang It's like you're playing CDM. Imagine you're playing CDM, huh? I want you to find the striker. Wingers, find the striker. And then he will be a target man. After the striker gets the ball, I want the wingers to make runs so that you can shoot. Okay? So you can also, depending on the situation, you can attack also. After passing to the striker. Okay? So subs, the two of you, ready, wingers. Okay? So, 3 important points. First, I want to see the passing combinations. Okay? So, less dribble, more of passing. So, again, find the striker. Right? Find the striker and then make the runs. Okay? Second is transition in defending. So, we have one defender, you, right? Roshan. So, if we lose the ball, I want these two players to go back immediately. Okay? So, you need to wingers up and down. Because if you don't go back to defend, Roshan, only one player. 1v1. Sometimes 2v1. So, very important, wingers, go back if you lose the ball. If you get tired, we have subs also. Okay? Understood? So, yan. Defending, transition, passing, and then last, take shots. Okay? No problem, long shots. Okay? We need to take shots. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Any questions? Any questions? None? Bro, no question?
I'm good.
Okay. So, let's wait.
For the first game, I'll play the striker.
Yes,
And
yeah.
then after that, I want to observe from the defense.
Okay, okay. Oh, yan. Later, he might play defense, so you can play
So I
attack.
can observe the combination, the pass.
Yeah. They will give one. Okay, so before we start the warm-up, prayer. And Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for the opportunity for us to play. I hope nobody gets injured and we are able to do our best. Keep us safe as we go home later. Amen.
Amen.
Ah.
Yes.
No.
Jetro TV.
Jetro
TV.
Oh, sige, ano sigaw?
Jetro TV.
Lalo ba yun? May sa Jet.
Jetro TV.
Sige. Oh, basta ayusin niyo. Ikaw sisigaw kasi ikaw nagbibigay ng idea. Okay.
3, 2, 1, Jetro TV.
Pwede mo ibigay yung pachik. Go! Usap! Tara! Nice! Shot! Ay, dito din na. First! Bigay! Yan na! Cut! Roshan! Shot! Ayun na yun. Balik! Go! Cut! Okay, sige. Ay, bawal ba yung call? Okay lang. Uy! Shit. Stop. Salsan. Okay lang. Take a shot. Okay, good. Good, Marcus. Shot. Hey, good. Nice, Roshan. You rest first.
I need my water, bro.
I think it's there.
We have good stamina, bro.
Yeah. Antonio, walang
offside ha, walang offside.
Slow.
Play. No back pass. Marcos, taas na Marcos, taas. Marcos, taas. Sige, walang offside.
Ay.
Yeah, ready. Marcos.
Because I think he has good striking also.
Go.
See? He has good striking, yeah? Yeah, you see that? Long pass. Take it different. Nice. Take it, nice. Nice.
Away.
Press. Nice keeper.
Check it. Get go. I go pass it. Easy, Marcos.
Nice. Beauty, go.
Tapos dumidilim. Dilim na. What's happened?
Hoy, go.
Ano yung naglalaro ng...
Shot. may times na pwede mo shot. Sino si Leo? Naka-goal siya. Taking shot. Marcos, go try. Kayong dalawa, take shots. Ikaw, okay lang, go try. So, kaya mo mag-shot. Oh, sige bro. Let's try to find it. Hey, no. You're defense. But I'll take Leo, please. If we put you in attack, they need to find you. That's what happened. First half, they weren't finding you.
Yeah, because there's so many people running around.
Yeah, but they can't find the pass. Ikaw, let's close game. Close game, but this time, Neo is gone. So, you guys need to step up to score. To score, okay? Antonio, score. Cortesano, shoot. Okay na? Shoot. Good try. Sige. Yung may tubig ba? Tubig muna. Papasok na kagad.
Sama na yun! Sama na yun!
Nice hustle. clear. Clear na, clear na. Okay. Stop ball. Yeah.
Hey! Di ba yung sound? Parang ko yun ah.
Go. Go. Shoot! Sige, good. Tara. Take a shot. Go, press. Marcos, tara. Justin. Tara, kami. 1, 2, 3.
Lahat ng goal nila nangyayari pag may nagsa-stop. Doon. Kulang sa tao eh.
Balik natin yung play natin simula. Striker. Roshan, try mo yung kung kaya mo ha, dun sa masikip. Bigay sa kanya. Tapos winger cut. Okay? Wingers. Okay? Kaya tatlo. Pag kick in, kunwari, naka Neo, kick in. Angat na kay second post. Sayang eh. Pwede niya pangangatin yung move. Ito, tinry kanina ni Cut sana, yung heading sana. Ganon. Boss, nakakatakot yung lagdag na to. Parang ba to? Basta mag-ingat ka lang. Hindi yung... Mag-ingat ka lang. Pero, masyado kasi tayo nag-short. So, short, sikip, wala na. Kaya ito, kaya niya mag-chip. Yung wingers, kailangan, takbo kayo sa goal, second post. Kuwari, nandun si Neo. Dapat meron dito second post. Pag meron doon, pag nandun si Neo, meron din second post. Okay? Hindi yung laging paa kasi kayo eh. Okay? Kapag din kayo sa harap ng goal, walang follow-up, sayang. Okay? Yun lang. Tapos shot. Roshan, shot. Ilang beses ka nag-shot? Wala. Kaya mag-shot. Kaya si Neo, ilang na-goal niya? Kasi nag-shot ka. Shot ka. Kaya rin. Lahat kayo, shots. Tignan nyo ako, binakbil ko nga eh. Swerte lang. Pero at least nag-shot. Ba shot nyo? Kahit topok. Try. Kahit topok, Rosa. Topok. Shot mo na.
Pag corner, magkatin na kayo agad.
Oo, yun.
Paano lang mabilis lang pagka ano?
Kami lang ako kanina.
Kami lang
Parang
kanina
nasa gitna mag-ano.
Mayroon, andun si Jetro. Ito yung goal. Si Jetro, umapproach kayo dito tapos.
Late playing yan.
Masaling nyo na si Pae.